Hi everyone, I'm Ken from Crypto Trading KS. If you're new, welcome, and welcome back to our regular community. Crypto and digital assets can create life-changing wealth, but what is your life trend direction? That's why we look at real wealth. Real wealth is much more than money. It's about inner and outer peace, fulfillment and meaning, fearlessness. You literally can have it all, and that's what we as a community look at. Real wealth. Rule 135, consistent persistence. This is a really important life and investing and trading rule. Benjamin Franklin said it really well. Energy and persistence conquer all things. Literally, persistence catalyzes wealth. A catalyst is something that creates a reaction. To get wealth, you need persistence. It's critically important. To create any kind of success, you need persistence. Jim Watkins added, "A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence." Everything beneficial in life requires persistence. It requires a lot of courage. You continuously need to put in the hard work, day after day after day, without giving up. It is not an easy thing to do. Persistence is the catalyst for wealth, for real wealth. Rule 138, all investors become traders whenever they buy or sell. When investors get into a market, it is because they're advertised in. The news and media says this is the place to invest. Typically that's at a high price. Traders are always looking to lower their average buy price. That's what we look at in Crypto Trading KS as a community. KSZoneAnalysis are the 4 stages that all investors and traders progress through to become consistently profitable and attain real wealth. When people first get into crypto, they enter Zone 1, the fear zone. Zone 2 is the blame zone. Zone 3, the patience and rule zone. Zone 4 is the meaning zone. Zone 2 is all about probabilistic fearlessness. It requires persistence to get to Zone 3. Bill Bradley said, "Ambition is the path to success. Persistence is the vehicle you arrive in." Crypto is an incredibly volatile asset class. It requires a lot of persistence to keep at it, to understand what's going on. Winston Churchill said, "Success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm." With investing and trading, success is hard come by. I've been in the markets for over 3 decades. I've learned thousands of rules literally that I share every day with our community. The markets demand the tuition fee of losses. Losses are just normal. The key is to limit those losses and understand what creates profitability. It's very important not to give up. Success in any endeavor is not easy. Persistence forges success. Literally, it forges it. It is hard work to be persistent, but that's the doorway to success. Literally, without persistence, you will stop. Whatever you face in life, without persistence, you will stop. The key, of course, is to always keep learning. Keep moving, keep progressing. Returning to KSZoneAnalysis, to move from Zone 2, the blame zone, to Zone 3 requires persistence. Zone 3 is where people become consistently profitable in their trading and investing. However, it's important to know that money does not automatically create meaning. To get into Zone 4, the meaning zone, that's where life truly takes on meaning and purpose. Zone 4 is all about inner and outer peace, authenticity. all the things that give life meaning. Many people, when they get into investing and trading, say they don't really care about meaning, they just want to make a pile of money. Jesse Livermore is an example of a person who was in Zone 3, undoubtedly. He was the pioneer of day trading. Unfortunately, Jesse Livermore committed suicide at age 63. In his note, he left, "I am unworthy of your love." The problem here is Jesse Livermore created intergenerational problems. Jesse Jr., his son, committed suicide, and Jesse Jr.'s son, Jesse III, also committed suicide. Creating meaning in life is not optional. It should be mandatory. We should focus on meaning first before we focus on wealth. Having wealth is simply not enough unless it's real wealth. We focus on financial wealth and real wealth at the same time because you can see it's just so important. Crypto Trading KS is all about making financial and real wealth from crypto. Let's have a quick look at the market. Let's run the numbers. Bitcoin is currently trading at 45,217, up 0.81%. Ethereum up to 3287, up 0.17%. We can see the market for Ethereum tokens is relatively red. Let's dig in and see how Bitcoin is going. Looking at investment substitutability, we can see the S&P 500 is up 33% for the past 12 months. Gold is down 8% for the past 12 months, and Bitcoin is up 331% for the past year. Analysis from Fidelity Investments predicts that Bitcoin will be trading about $1 million per Bitcoin after 2026 and around 10 million per Bitcoin by 2030. Turning to the KS model, the crypto technical trading model based on institutional price psychology, we can see that we're starting to bottom out here. We're very close to some key support levels at 44,356. We'll see how price goes. We're estimating an increase in prices for the remainder of the month. Please have a look at episode 242. That can give you some insight on how to detect if there are any weaknesses in the stock markets. There's a lot of valuable information in there, and it's a quick and short video. When looking at Bitcoin on the daily basis, so long as price stays above $35,000, the bull trend remains in process. We can see the relative strength in the market starting to increase as well. And we also have a support line coming in here, which is activating around the $43,700 mark. In previous episodes, we talked about the technicals of Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to maintain an increase from $45,830. It's currently trading at $45,610. It's not doing too badly. It's getting above that resistance line. That's where we want it to go to repair technical damage. Support levels below Bitcoin's price are 45,268, the key psychological mark of 45,000. Then following that, 44,602 and 43,685. It's very important that you psychologically prepare yourself for Bitcoin's momentum going into the bull market phase where we get a blow-off exponential top. We're currently around here when we compare to the past cycle. That was around a 61% increase and around a 20% decrease. What followed next was near 87% increase and a 20% decrease, followed by a 38% increase and a 40% decrease. It's really important that you expect this kind of volatility. Bitcoin makes huge returns, but it's also an incredibly volatile asset class. You can see here in the stock market, a correction is defined in stock market terms as 10% or more. Bear markets, 20% or more. 10% or more is any typical day of the week in crypto. 20% or more is every other week. It's really important that you understand this. We focus on many strategies to make this volatility work for the community. I'd like to thank the very kind and generous community members who have reached out and bought me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com/cryptotradingks. Thank you so much. It's very much appreciated. My goal is to share my decades of trading experience to assist you to be more of a financial blessing to yourself and those you love, and gain real wealth in the process. I hope you found the content useful. Please consider sharing and liking this video if you think it will help others. Thank you to our moderators for keeping our community safe from scammers. Please say hi and let me know where you're viewing from and if you have any questions. If you would like daily updates on price movements in the crypto market, please subscribe to YouTube. I've left helpful links in the description of this video. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there. Take care and see you next time. Bye for now.